Dear students of class 10th, as you know that I have explained you the circle and its related definitions. I have also explained all the theorems related to this lesson. Today you will study exercise based on this theorem. Dear students, now we shall solve exercise number 10.1. Question number 1. Question 1. How many tangents how many tangents can a circle have? So answer of this question is a circle can have infinity tangent. Let's see at this figure. Suppose COR is a circle, so we can draw a tangent from this point, from this point, from this point, from this point. So like from this point. So a circle can have infinity tangents. Okay. So how many tangents can a circle have? So answer of this question is a circle can have infinity tangents. Number 2. A tangent to a circle intersect in dash point. A tangent to a circle intersects it in only one point. So second, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a dash. तो जो दो पॉइंट पर देखेंगे इस तरीके से, दो पॉइंट पर एक सर्किल को जो लाइन काटती है ए बी, सो इस लाइन को क्या कहते हैं? सेकेंड. ए सर्किल कैन हैव डैश पैरेलल टेंजेंट एट द मोस्ट. थर्ड वन, ए सर्किल कैन हैव डैश पैरेलल टेंजेंट एट द मोस्ट. तो इसके आंसर जो होगा दो पैरेलल्स इसके ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. द कॉमन पॉइंट ऑफ ए टेंजेंट टू ए सर्किल एंड द सर्किल इज कॉल्ड डैश. तो बेटा इस पॉइंट को, कॉमन पॉइंट को, टेंजेंट को, इधर देखें, ये सर्किल है, इसको इस तरीके से पॉइंट आउट किया तो उसको कहते हैं पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. ठीक है. नंबर थर्ड, ए टेंजेंट पी क्यू एट ए पॉइंट पी ऑफ ए सर्किल इज रेडियस 5 centimeter meets at a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ equal 12 centimeter. Length PQH. Length PQ is 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 8.5 centimeter, or D under root 119 centimeter. So first we draw the figure of this question. Let a circle with center O and OP is 5 centimeter, and from this point P, that is called the point of contact, OQ is 12 centimeter. So we know that the line drawn from the center drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. So once again, we know that the line drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. It means the angle drawn between OP and PQ is 90 degree. Okay, so therefore OP perpendicular to PQ, therefore OP square plus PQ square equal OQ square. Through the Pythagorean theorem, OP square plus PQ square is equal to OQ square. Now we put the value of OP and OQ. So 5 square plus PQ square equal 12 square. 25 plus PQ square equal 144. So PQ square equal 144 minus 25. So PQ square equal 119. So PQ equal under root 119. So this is right answer. Under root 119 is right answer.